This summer for vacation, we went to Crystal River, Florida. We got to do lots of fun things like snorkeling, swimming, and scallop diving. Here's our trip with Captain Dominick, real Florida fishing charters.
There you go, Will. Good job.
You got him? We have a pooper. Looks like a puffer fish.
Don't hit me with him.
It is a puffer fish. You got a puffer.
It's probably the same one. There you go.
What it is?
Probably red.
Oh, that catfish.
Will's got one too.
There you go.
Double.
Yeah, this is a little better here. I don't know what he is.
I have no idea what this is. Look at that.
Little redfish. Will, you got a redfish too?
Oh yeah, he's a nice one.
There you go, buddy. Yes, sir.
Yeah, that's pretty good in there, buddy.
Nice, buddy. You keep reeling. You're doing great. You're doing great.
You might jerk me in.
No, you're good. You're good. Bring it right towards me. Right towards this net.
Hey!
All right.
That's a good one.
Way to go, bud.
That's a nice
A
keeper,
lot bigger
redfish.
than me. Can you hold your rod actually?
Sorry, buddy.
Good job, dude.
Bigger than yours.
Yeah, a lot bigger.
That's a nice one.
That is what you want.
Oh,
They have
that's probably no redfish. We had a couple
Flounder.
flounder.
Looks small.
They have to be 14.
Dang, they're my favorite.
They have to be 14 and he's short.
How much is he?
13.
That's
Nice. Will's a lot better measurer than I am. He can make that 13 a keeper.
Oh, I'm
Yeah,
sure he
yeah.
would.
Yeah. Why don't you stick your hand down there and see if you can grab it?
No, the same
Oh,
shark.
actually, no. It's probably a little smaller than the first one.
Got him.
Hey, hang on that rod.
That might be another shark.
Yes, sir.
It might not be. Well, those head shakes might be a big captain. Hopefully not. Hopefully it's a redfish.
You're good, whatever what he is.
Flounder.
Oh, it's a jack.
The jack.
I think I heard they're good to eat.
I don't think they're very good.
Pretty anyway.
You ever catch one of these?
No.
Really?
Give it to the pelican. Where's the net?
Get out of the way, pelican.
He's gonna steal your fish.
You got a fish right there.
You got that mud minnow. That is a bonnet head.
Bonnet head.
Yep, they're in the same family as hammerhead. You got one on?
Yeah, a good one.
You do.
Is that another shark?
It's... I don't know, that might be
Redfish. Redfish on. Yep.
No, it is a red.
Those are
He's right by you, buddy.
big redfish.
Oh.
Nice, another keeper.
Look at his teeth, Will.
Or it could be a nice redfish. Keep him away from that motor, turn to your right. Turn to your right. There you go.
Whatever it is, pretty good, ain't it?
Let me help you out, buddy. There you go, there you go, there you go, you're good. Yeah. Just in case if he was running under the boat, I was gonna grab it. Reel down on him.
But that might be a sharky.
Reel down on him. Yep, another shark.
You got a shark?
Hey, there you go.
Holy moly.
Bring that down.
More. A little closer.
All right, you got your first shark.
Caught a shark, bud. Knuckles, good job.
Oh, my hands are
They fat.
There you go, Will.
There you go, buddy.
Yeah, I caught a giant one day.
probably like a jack. Fighting like a jack.
When I say giant, this stingray was probably. Oh, that looks like a little redfish. This stingray was probably at least 80 pounds.
Golly.
45 minutes. Swing right this way.
I wouldn't mess with
Look at that thing, Will.
Look at it.
I know, I wouldn't mess with it.
And it feels like a rock. That's how heavy they are. Yep, solid fish.
What?
That is girlfriend.
Is it a male and a female? It looks like it.
I can't tell.
They look like it, so.
Hey, right through my line.
Quick, so.
Fish?
Hopefully it's not another
Yeah,
cat.
that's a.
Is this a catfish?
That looks like a red.
That's us.
Keep him away from the trolling motor. There you go. Over the side. There you go.
Big one.
It is a
Looks like a
red.
keeper. That might be.
Look at the red. Yeah, that's a good one.
There, buddy.
Easy.
There you go. That might be a keeper. He might be.
I'll measure him.
Yeah, he's in that maze.
There you go. You about pulled the rod out of your hands. Way to hang on.
I didn't even know that. Big one. Oh, red. Red.
Yep.
Good red.
Good job, buddy.
They're kind of heavy.
Yeah, he was barely in there.
Yeah.
Don't look like you got a big one. You're good now.
That could be either a big redfish, a big snook, or a shark. I don't know yet. We'll see.
Is that on the minnow?
It's on the minnow.
That minnow's gonna be big by the time you get to the end.
It's a good one, whatever it is.
Whatever it is.
You know, if you keep them on that side of the boat, it's a lot easier.
Okay, well.
Come this
Yeah,
way
it's
now.
most likely a shark. Sharks are the only thing that.
You pull that.
Left, we're going on the boat.
It's a snook. It's a good one.
Giant snook. Here, just keep him.
Keep him busy until he gets the net.
Stay back here.
Big snook. That's a big buddy. Okay, yep, that's good.
Good.
Look at that fish. Rock on. Rock on. Yes.
That's a good one.
Yes!
Look at that. This is that is a big snook.
He swallowed it too, didn't he?
Get on top of that. Get there. Get a nice photo.
Alright, can I hold him with
Yeah,
the
you got him.
crabs?
You got him?
We'll just take a quick picture like that, but we gotta let them go because
Yeah.
they're really sensitive. Oh, sorry, I didn't know.
That's all right. Hang on tight. You got him.
Grab them tight, okay? Put your hand in the water. That's what we're gonna do. We're gonna keep them in the water. Give them plenty of time. If he gives you a nice hard head shake like that, that means he's ready.
Don't let him pull you in.
There you go.
He's ready.
Look at that.
Look at that one.
That is cool, huh?
Holy moly.
Holy snooker.
Yeah.
Okay.
Catfish do eat food, believe it or not. And I don't.
That's a good one.
It's probably a snook. Yeah. We'll just keep him in the water for now. So Daddy reels this one in. And then we'll swing yours up. Wow, you can do that. Oh, no.
Yeah, for a minute. Are you ready?
Yeah. Nice, right? That's another keeper. Nice. That's a thick one right there.
I got the fish. All right.
He broke the net.
The clip on got undone. Oh, another nice red.
Holy man. Or not. Feels like a redfish. Not sure. Who knows what this is? Probably.
Don't fall in.
Nice. I think redfish. Yep.
Big redfish?
Yeah, I think that's a keeper. Don't reel no more, okay? Just lift your rod up.
Nice and easy.
Red.
One more time this way. One more time right this way.
You have to tire him out a little, Will. There you go, buddy. Good job.
Pretty close. That might be a close one, yeah. He might be like right at 18, 18 and a half. Let's see.
I might get the... You keep, buddy.
Yes, sir. There you go. Good job, buddy.
Way to go,
That's what I'm
Will.
talking about. That's what I'm talking about, buddy. We got our limit of redfish. Isn't that awesome?
Yeah.
Here, I got you, bud.
Okay, nice stuff.
Let me see, there's one. Oh, little red.
Yep, little red.
Oh, there's fish in there, Patty.
There's some big fish in there. Bigger than you are. No. You stick your finger in there. You're live.
A little bit farther. Go about elbow deep.
Stick my hand in there. No, don't stick
Don't do that, they'll bite it.
A little bit further out.
Holy.
Now, can I feed one?
I don't know if you can feed one or not.
I want to feed one.
Okay.
Alright, I bet Daddy can help.
Don't feed
Down here
one.
low. Hang it out there in the water.
Whoa, that was fast, wasn't it?
Ah, the bird got it. Eat the bird.
How many?
Caesar.
Here they come. Here they come.
Whoa.
Thanks for watching, everyone. We hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to click like and subscribe. See you next time.